What's up guys, it's Emmanuel. Today we have a new project. This is the Dodge Charger Scat pack and we're gonna do a camouflage wrap. Let's do it. Alright guys, so this one is a new project. I already did the honeycomb stripes before, okay? The link for these stripes, they're gonna be on the description of the video, okay? But the customer now, he wants a camouflage wrap. So we're gonna remove the stripes and we're gonna do a camouflage wrap, sorry. So it's gonna be very nice. This one is gonna be in 3 colors. Let's do this one. This one is very nice. The color is very nice. So this one is a partial wrap, okay? We're gonna put the spots on top of the paint, so it's not gonna cover the whole thing, only spots that you can still see the blue and then the 3 colors on top of the blue. You can see it right here. This is a Scat Pack 392. Has a nice wheels. You can see it. That's his Instagram. Okay, but we're gonna change everything. Instagram decals and the wrap. We're gonna remove the stripes. All right, so you can see it there. Looks great. So let's start with this project. Okay, this is how the car it looks with the stripes, and now that's how it looks without the stripes. Okay, so I have to wash it, so let's wash the car, remove all the dirt before we put the camo spots on the car. Let's do that next. Alright guys, so here is the final design for the camouflage wrap. So this is these are the sides. It's gonna be in 3 colors, you can see it right there. And this is the other roof, front and rear. And here. So this, I'm gonna cut these pieces on the plotter, and after that I'm ready to install them on the car. So let's do that next. Alright guys, so the car is clean. I washed the car yesterday, so I left it drying the whole night. So now it's dry and everything is super clean. So it's time to install the camouflage wrap. I'm gonna start with this side and then roof, hood, trunk. I think the sides first, then the rest after that. Okay, so let's start with this project. Okay guys, the car is ready. Let's see how it looks outside. Alright guys, it looks amazing. It's done. You can see it there. The back, sides. This one has some nice wheels. See the roof. Yeah, looks great. The hood. Yes. Love it. Now the other side. Yes, I love it. It looks great. Alright, so I added some lines here and on the diffuser. Yeah, it looks great. You can see it. Those lines, those decals. Yes, Chain Graphics. That's his Instagram. And on the bottom here, I add a line too and a banner. Let's see it. Looks great. You can see the line here better for the bottom. So that's the only thing I added more for this car. So it looks great. Alright guys, the camouflage is ready. So for those who ask if I do it by hand, no. I designed this on the computer and after that I cut it on the plotter. So everything is designed on my computer and then the customer approves the design, and after the customer approves, I cut it and install it. Okay, so everything is by computer, not by hand. Okay, for those that ask me a lot of questions about the camouflage. All right, but this looks amazing. It's 3 colors and it looks cool. Okay, if you need a design like this, you can contact me on Facebook or Instagram. Okay, let me know what you guys think on the comments. If you like the video, please like the video, subscribe for more videos like this one, and see you in the next video.